Students, today I am going to revise lesson 1. As you know that you have only 2 lessons in first term syllabus. So I have already given you the question answers of both the lessons. So I am going to revise this lesson. I think that you have learned the question answer of both the lessons. So first topic is globe and map. What is globe? The globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. As you see that the globe also looks like earth. As earth is also tilted, the globe is also tilted. It tells us the different countries. It shows us the capitals of the countries and how the world look like. So there are some limitations and advantages of globe. Limitations of the globe. As compared to the map, globe is costlier or expensive. Globe is heavy, so we can't every time move globe from one place to another place. It also does not give us the all the features or all the information of a place or a country. So these are some of the limitations of the globe. But as we see globe, we can know the exact shape of the earth and how earth rotates. That also we can know easily. We can know how the days and nights occur. So as globe is the exact replica of the earth, so this is the main advantage of globe as compared to map. So map is drawn on a flat surface and earth is round or spherical in shape. So these are the main difference of map and globe. So what is map? So you can see the map of India. Map is the diagrammatic representation of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. As you see the map of India, you can easily know the different states, capital and the places. It is drawn on two-dimensional picture. So map is drawn on a flat surface. So there are different types of maps based on different categories. So maps may be political, physical and thematic map. So first is physical map. Physical map give us information about the different physical features of the earth. So these physical feature may be the mountain, plain, plateau, desert or river. So we can see different physical feature of a place in a map and we can know which type of physical feature it is. Then the political maps. Political map shows the political boundary of a country or political boundary of states. So we, with the help of political boundaries, we can know the different states, how one state is differentiate from the other state, or we can know the boundary of the one country to the another country. We can know with the help of dot. We can also know the capital city, which is marked with black dot. Now the third type of map, that is thematic map. So with the help of thematic map, we can show the particular theme in a map. Like if we have to show the monuments of a country, then we can show it with the thematic map. If we have to show the forest, if we have to show the crops, if we have to show the railways or roads or the airports, we can show it with the help of thematic maps. Now in the next video I will give you the detailed information of the atlas and components of maps. So I am concluding this topic today, and I will continue the components of maps and the types of scales in the next video. So thank you for today.